Are you looking for a way to make extra cash or even start your own business without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm sharing 15 small business ideas under $500 that you can start right now using compact machines you can easily buy online. Whether you're dreaming of being your own boss or just looking for a side hustle, stick around because I've got some ideas that could transform your 2024. Imagine this. It's a scorching summer day, and you have a frozen drink stand where people are lining up for icy, refreshing drinks. With a frozen drink machine, you can create slushies in various flavors. And trust me, on a hot day, they sell like hotcakes. Or should I say cold drinks? These machines start at just $300, and the return on investment is amazing, especially if you're in high traffic areas like parks or festivals. Who doesn't love a good scented candle? With a candle pouring dispenser, you can start your own candle making business from your garage. You can get creative with different scents, colors, and sizes. Starting at $300, this business idea is perfect for anyone with a creative side looking to turn their hobby into profit. Efficiency is key. A clothes folding machine can be a game changer if you run a laundry or mobile laundry service. Imagine offering a pickup and delivery service where clothes come back perfectly folded. These machines start at $30 and could turn a mundane task into a profitable business. Ever wanted to create your own brand of drinks but thought it was too expensive? Think again. With a can sealing machine, you can package juices, smoothies, or even craft beer right from your kitchen. It's a simple but effective way to create your own products, and these machines start at just $300. This one's perfect for small businesses that need some branding. Portable mini printers allow you to add logos or designs to all sorts of items. Think coffee cups, shirts, or even price tags. They're super versatile, and best of all, they start at only $60. Perfect for a business that's all about customization and creativity. Cake decorators, listen up. A cake decorating machine is your new best friend. If you've ever thought about starting a custom cake business, this machine will save you hours. It applies frosting evenly and quickly, letting you focus on creativity. For just $200, you can transform cakes into works of art out, and trust me, people will pay good money for beautifully decorated cakes. Looking to package and sell jams, sauces, or smoothies? A liquid food packaging machine is the perfect tool. These start at $200 and allow you to package products efficiently and neatly. Your brand could be the next big thing in local markets or online sales. Next up, engraving machines. Personalization is booming right now. You can use these machines to create customized jewelry, plaques, and even personalized gifts for weddings and birthdays. The best part? You don't need a big space, just a small workshop or even your garage. These machines start at around $300, and the potential for profit is huge when people are looking for one-of-a-kind items. Fulfillment businesses and e-commerce shops, this one's for you. A bubble wrap machine allows you to produce your own packing material, saving you money and increasing your efficiency. If you ship products, you know how expensive packing materials can get. These machines start at around $300 and can help cut your costs while ensuring your products are packed safely. Want to start a food business with a twist? Literally. The Twisted Dog machine creates spiral cut potatoes with a sausage in the center, perfect for fairs, food trucks, or markets. It's fun, it's tasty, and it's a super affordable business idea with machines starting as low as $10. Yes, you heard that right, $10. If you're into food production, why not try making fresh noodles? You can add special flavors or even unique ingredients like seaweed or spinach for a gourmet twist. These machines start at $400, and homemade noodles are a hit at farmers markets and specialty stores. Do you want to get into the custom merchandise game? With a heat press, you can personalize mugs, t-shirts, and other items easily. Picture this: chameleon mugs that change color when hot liquid is poured in. How cool is that? You could sell to corporate clients or even set up a shop at local fairs. And the best part? You can start for as little as $50 from home. Do you love natural products? How about starting your own eco-friendly oil business? With an oil press machine, you can create high-quality, fresh oils from olives, sunflower seeds, and more. These machines start at $500, and you can create unique blends for cooking or cosmetics. This is perfect for health-conscious customers who love organic products. Ever thought about selling custom ribbons? These machines let you print text on ribbons for events, gifts, or even product packaging. This could be a great niche business idea, especially for weddings or events, with machines starting at $400. And last but not least, how about a business where you create personalized plastic cards? From membership cards to event passes, these machines allow you to emboss numbers and names onto cards for just $150. It's simple, affordable, and there's always demand for customized cards in small businesses. So, which one of these business machines sparked your interest? Drop a comment below and let me know which idea you're excited about starting in 2024. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more small business ideas and tips to help you succeed. See you in the next video.